In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated AI companions using Grok AI 2026. We'll walk through the essentials in a clean, simple flow. Opening Grok, jumping into its Imagine workspace, entering a concise prompt, and reviewing your generated result. Keep your browser up to date and make sure your internet connection is steady so everything loads smoothly. First, go to Grok. Open your preferred web browser and type grok.com in the address bar, then press enter. Give the homepage a second to load. You should see a streamlined interface with navigation that highlights creative tools and makes it easy to start a new generation. Next, click on Imagine. This is Grok's creative canvas, the place where you describe what you want and let the system build it. The Imagine option is easy to spot from the homepage. Select it to open a fresh prompt window. Think of it like a blank storyboard where your companion starts to take shape, guided entirely by the description you provide. In the prompt area, type exactly. Create an animated AI companion. Keep it on one line, plain and clear. If you want to guide the style, you can add short descriptors in the same message. Things like friendly tone, looping 2D animation, soft color palette, or subtle idle motions. Short comma-separated notes help Grok focus, but avoid long paragraphs. Clarity beats volume. You're basically telling the system the role, the visual vibe, and the motion feel you're after, all in a single instruction. The tighter your wording, the easier it is for the model to deliver a coherent first draft that looks and behaves the way you expect. Now send the prompt and wait for the output. Depending on server load, this can take a moment. You'll typically see a progress indicator, and then your first draft will appear. Review what Grok returns. Look for how well the personality reads, whether the animation cues match your intent, and if the overall style fits your brand or project. If the tone or look isn't quite right, small wording tweaks in the same prompt, like adjusting mood, pace, or color temperature, often produce big improvements on the next run. Treat this first result as a foundation you can refine with simple, precise language. That's the entire flow. Go to Grok, open Imagine, enter the prompt, then send and assess the result. Follow these basics, and you'll spin up engaging animated AI companions quickly and consistently. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to build.